So I think we can just get right to the pipe audio function. Pipe video. Where's pipe audio? Here it is. Huh? Huh. Yeah, so we kill the thread and then launch a new one. I mean, I guess that's a way of doing it. Sure. And then we set up the outputs. Yeah, so audio output valid. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to have a similar thing. We'll do it valid. I might even just start by copying this. Yeah, right, the interrupt callback. Yeah. Yeah, I guess the audio outputs are contained in the audio input. Sure. Does this make sense? Like, it's a bit weird because only the output for video matches the output for audio. The input for audio and the input for video are just completely separate. Like, those are just done through completely different means. It's only really the output that matches. But does this make sense? Because we have an X11 context. Should we put it in here? Why am I not doing that? I don't even know what the use case for this is. I guess, no. I know what the use case is. If you want to record like over, like if you want to stream live and also keep a recording of that locally. What was I smoking when I wrote this? I mean, I think I know what I'm talking about. I just don't think that's the architecture we're using anymore. Yeah, the way this is organized is different. We have all our screens in here. Rather than having one of these for each screens, we have them all here. Oh yeah, that's a problem. I think for now this is fine. It's kind of a bit dumb. But they are basically different. They just deceptively don't seem like it. Okay, how much do we need to change? Probably none of that. Though we probably will at some point. Yeah, I'm thinking this will probably lead to an error because it's already open. Yeah, I might just keep the audio off for now. We will need a pretty hard to do, or I don't know about difficult, but to do unify the FFmpeg output contexts. I think that should be doable. Because I think a lot of this start is basically the same. Like, I think we still want to do pretty much all this stuff. I don't think any of this stuff changes. This does, though. Yeah, here we go. H623. 264. Yeah. My main problem with this codec is there's a bunch of options. New format. Yeah, it's interesting that you can create a new stream in the format. Right, but this is a new context. I think we basically just want to add a new stream to it. I think this should be okay. Yeah. Yeah. This is the thing. We're crafting them ourselves. I presume we can just make this video. I don't think we need channel layout. Let's go take a look what's in a stream. I don't think there's a stream in a frame. I think that just comes from format. Probably not input, but there's probably one in input anyway. There's not. IO context? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. It's a format context, which is here. And there's our PB. I wonder if they can just share PBs. I wonder if that's an... we'll come back to it. We'll come back to it. Here we go, stream. Codec parameters. Yeah, we can just go video. Do I need to supply that? Yeah, we already read the header. Interesting. Because I kind of think all this stuff should just work. At least like this part of it. Like there's still more stuff to do. Yeah, okay. So it seems like we need to set this up. Yeah, I don't know how much of this I actually need to set. I don't know how the codec's gonna behave if I just don't set half of it. I actually don't know what the stream, like, what any of this stuff actually means. Like, does it change? What does it change? Is it, like, if I set the time base to something completely random, just complete nonsense, does it change how the encoder encodes stuff? Or does it just change the properties of the stream when we write the header? I have no idea. Let's try and keep things consistent for now. We'll dick around later. Yeah, codec path format.